This is either a masterpiece or a literal mental breakdown. Stay for the zoom out because the final result is actually terrifying. Type nope if you'd lose your mind doing this. Subscribe if you just use a printer. 10,000 dice. One girl with way too much free time. Step 1. Dump the bag. Step 2. Spend 40 hours placing every single one. She's using the dots as pixels. 1's for the shadows. 6's for the highlight. It's basically Minecraft but for people who hate sleep. One sneeze and the whole project is over. You're thinking it looks like a mess? Look at the shading on the nose. The math behind this is actually disgusting. But is it art or just a cry for help? Look at that detail. Seriously, I'm not.